This poem stood out to me because it is relatable. I feel like at some point in everyone's life, you will feel like someone doesn't really care, appreciate, or takes you for granted. Gluck does well with expressing her feelings of rejection, and even though this specific situation may not apply to everyone, the feelings portrayed in this poem does. I also like the message the author gives, which is you shouldn't hate yourself because someone you love doesn't love you back. And the best thing you can do is move on and continue to live life, because there are so many other things or people in life that can bring lasting happiness. Gluck goes from a dark place that left her feeling worthless to having an epiphany, one that helped her cope with her emotions as an adult in a healthy manner. For me, this poem is like a motivational speech that can be said over and over again in my head to keep me going when I'm feeling down. The author saw a light at the bottom of the abyss by realizing that she was in charge of how she felt, and for most people, this can be hard. Gluck ended the poem with love still in her heart and self-compassion, two things the self-hatred issue says you don't have and aren't worthy of.